Hey everyone, it's Coach Brenda Kelly here coming to you with another video. It is Wisdom Wednesday, and today I'm going to talk all about portion control. You know, sometimes we really focus in on making sure that we're eating the right food, but we're not eating the right portions. So I'm going to give you just a few tips of some of the things that I do to keep me focused and keep me on my journey. Number one is using a smaller plate. I find that when I get the bigger plate, I add more food, and in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, I'm eating right, but my portions are out of control. Number two, you can even divide your plate. Use a divider plate or just divide it in your mind how much you're going to eat of each food. One of the things that I do, I focus on 80% of fruits and vegetables, really fill my plate with fruits and vegetables. The other portion will be my healthy fat and my protein. So really focusing on eating those vegetables, getting those vegetables in. Next, I would say to listen to your body, your hunger cues. What is your body saying? Am I really hungry or am I just bored? So I start eating, and instead of having a measurement of what I'm going to eat, I just start randomly eating, and before I know it, I've overdone it. So really listen to your body, the hunger cues and the fullness. Am I full? When I'm full, I get up from the table. And okay, the next thing that I focus on is pre-portioning my snacks. Pre-portion your snacks so that you are not eating something and before you know it, you're overdoing it. Have your snacks already prepared. And these are the things that I'm going to eat. And I've already have them set in baggies or whatever, or little containers that I know this is my portion for this meal. Next, I would say use your hand as a guide. Now, one of the things for my protein, I use the palm of my hand. That's how much protein that I have per meal. For my vegetable, you use your fist. This is the size of my vegetable. And then for my carb, I use a cupped hand, like that, a cupped hand. That portions your carbohydrate. So use your hand as your guide. Next, I would say be mindful of the liquids that you drink. You know, a lot of times we think if I'm drinking a liquid, I'm doing much better, I'm not eating, but you can drink too much. You can have too many sugary drinks, coffees. If I'm drinking a sugary coffee, then I won't eat. But those calories add up. The juices, you know, making sure that you're not overdoing it with sugary drinks. Drink more water. That's my big thing. Drink more water. And I don't want to waste my calories on drinking. So drink more water and eat the right foods. Slow down on the sugary drinks. And then last, plan and prepare your meals. Plan and prepare. It is so important that you plan and prepare. Not only do you plan and prepare your meals, but your snacks. As I said before, plan your meals and your snacks so that you are ready and you can grab and go. When you don't prepare, then you will grab anything. You will grab whatever you see. You will grab some chips. You will grab a soda because you're not prepared. So I encourage you today to really focus in on your portions. Yes, you're eating the right thing, but are you eating the right portions? Focus on that today. Have an amazing day.